Hey, check this out. This is a bot currently trading for me on the Blofin exchange. Blofin is giving out 40 USD for everyone who joins this campaign, and I'm going to show you everything right here in this video. Firstly, understand that trading is risky and you shouldn't trade more than you can lose. And this video is only for educational purpose. This is not a financial advice. Create an account on Blofin using the link in the description of this video. Make some deposit into your Blofin account and do this exactly. Go to your YouTube, go to our YouTube channel, click on the subscribe button. It is completely free. Click on all in the notification bell to stay alerted whenever we post a new video, and don't forget to like this video that you're watching right now. Go to the comment section and share some unique ideas you have about this content, whether it works for you, whether you withdraw your 40 USD, and what you think about this update. Okay, let's get started. Here is your home page. Go ahead and click on the more section, head on the sports grid, click on it. It takes you to a page that looks like this, which selects the different trading methods, which is the moderate, the balanced, and the aggressive, depending on what you want to select. But firstly, before I get to that, go ahead and choose the coin that you wanted to trade in. So just click right here and select a coin. So I'm going to be trading the link against the USDT. And in case if you are not aware, we are trading USDT, giving out scores on our Telegram group. You can try out our trade and see if it works for you. I'm dropping our signals every single day, so make sure that you're right there. Okay, so here is where you select the trade that you're going into. Where you go into the moderate, which shares a profit of 2.83, down to the aggressive, which shares the profit of 4.37. So I'm gonna go for the balance trading, and I'm going to just click on it. I'm imputing my amount. I have over 10 USDT right there, and I'm going to get it right here. But in case if you are not seeing this 10 USDT right here, maybe you're gonna be seeing 0 because I saw 0 at first. Just click on it. It's going to be showing you a swapped button like this. So something like this, you're going to just click on this swap, click on the max button, and click on transfer right here, and just click back, and you will just see your your USDT right here. Okay, so that is how simple to solve that. Okay, select your trade, click on copy, impute the amount that you want to trade on. So I'm going to trade 10 USDT. Okay, I'm going to click on confirm. Okay, my bot created successfully. Let me go ahead and view the details of this bot. Now let me tell you something. They're not going to give you 40 USDT, like exactly 40 USD. A lot of people are going to be receiving 20, some people are going to be receiving 30 and 40. Okay, and you must complete this trade for 24 hours. You must allow this trade to run for 24 hours and make sure that this is your first trade. That is the only qualification that you need for you to claim this token. So go ahead, keep on checking on your spots. These funds will arrive. So these funds might arrive after the end of this campaign or during this campaign. I really do not know about that yet. So but don't forget to subscribe in my YouTube channel. Click on all in the notification bell to stay alerted whenever I post a new video, and don't forget to like this video. I'll be posting another video about this, and if I earn my 40 USD, I'm gonna be also posting it right here on the YouTube channel. So stay tuned and learn more.